Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn that how to calculate the selling price when we are availing or when we are giving a trade discount as well as a cash discount. Now, first of all, let me clear out that what is the meaning of cash discount. Cash discount is given when you are making a prompt payment in cash. Please keep this in mind that cash discount can be only availed of when we are making a prompt cash payment. Okay, so after we are having the discounted price, after discounting, then only we will calculate the cash discount. So we will learn how to do it today. So here we have one transaction where it's written that sold goods of the list price means the cost price, rupees 40,000 at 10% discount means here trade discount, we assume it as trade discount, and at the rate 5% cash discount to Ramesh. Okay, so now let us see what will be the selling price, the final selling price after this both kind of discount. So here we have a working note. Now working note means the details of the calculations which you have to show below the sum. Okay, now first of all we'll deduct the discounted price from our list price. So list price remains 40,000. 10% of 40,000 gives us 4,000. So after discounting, the price becomes 36,000. So this is the cash payment which we are supposed to receive from Ramesh after giving him a discount of 10%. But since he is making us a prompt cash payment, so we will give him an additional 5% cash discount on this price, that means on 36,000. So now here I have calculated 5% cash discount on 36,000. So 5% of 36,000 gives us 1,800. So from this 36,000, 1,800 rupees will be deducted, and our final payment which we will receive is 34,200. So this is the cash amount which we are going to receive. Okay, so now we will look into the journal entry for this. Journal entry remains the same, just the calculation of discount is a little bit different here. So first you have to simply deduct the discounted price. From there, on that you have to again deduct 5% cash discount, and finally that cash discount will be deducted from this 36,000. Okay, so now let us see the entry. Now see here, cash we are going to receive, as I told you, we are going to receive 34,200. This will be the cash payment which we will receive. Now discount allowed, we have given them both the kinds of discount, so 1,800. The final cash discount only be recorded here. Okay, then sales amount was 36,000. This 36,000 was after we have deducted the 10% discount. Okay, so now if I add up 34,200 plus 1,800, it will give us 36,000. So both the debit side as well as the credit side remains equal. Okay, so I hope this transaction is clear to you. If anyone has any problem, they can ask me their doubts. Thank you, children.